Hello, my name is Bryn Arwen Johnson, and I make up half of the design team at Illuminescent Design. The other half is made up by my mom, Gail Johnson, and she's been making and designing costumes for the past 25 years. Together, we make and design costumes for athletes and performers who have competed all the way from the Grand Prix international competitions to the most enthusiastic of amateurs who just love to perform. So this video is just going to show you what you get in your fitting kit when you get the first draft of your costume, which is just going to be a sloper. What you're going to get is a leotard. This does not look like your costume. This will just be made out of the base fabric that we're going to be using. And you're also going to get a skirt. You'll notice that they have different color threads in the sides. These are going to be pulled out so that we can make the adjustments to your costumes. These are just basting threads, but don't you tug on them because your costume will unravel. You'll also notice on your skirt, it's going to clearly be marked back and front so you know which way to put it on. So next, you're going to get a little kit from us that has everything you need to do the fitting on your sloper. So first you're going to see there's going to be a list of instructions. I'm going to be going over all of these when I actually fit the costume, but these are just written out for you to refer to. You're going to notice we have safety pins. You'll be getting a box of these. Do not use straight pins because they're just going to fall out in shipping. Also, don't be afraid to overuse these pins because the more securely you pin things together, the better we're going to know how to do things. Then you're going to notice you have a tape measure, which we'll need for additional measurements, for instance, the length of the skirt. Then you're going to notice, depending on the color of your costume, you're either going to get a fabric marker pen if you have a lightly colored costume, or a piece of chalk. And I'm going to show you that it is okay to mark on your costume. For instance, if you have the pen, as you can see, you can just draw on it. And there's a lightly colored blue mark. Now, if you've drawn something you don't like or made a mistake, that's okay. All you need to do is take a spray bottle or a wet washcloth, spray it on there, and as you can see, that just quickly came right off. Now you need to let it dry before you put any other marks on it, but you can just take a blow dryer and go over the fabric to dry it quicker. If you have a dark piece of fabric, you're going to use the chalk, which is just the same concept. You can draw on it. As you can see, there's a line, and again, all you have to do is take water or a damp washcloth, and it'll come right off. So lastly, you're going to notice there's a sheet marked alteration notes. Basically, we're going to be going over these in the next part of this video, but as you can see, we have several questions for you, as well as a place at the bottom for you to write your comments or concerns. So that's everything you're going to be receiving from us in order to fit your sloper.